Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To get started, simply open the Kahoot's options menu and choose Share. In the Share with Other Kahoot box, type the username of a person and choose their name from the list that appears underneath 6 days ago.
Take our lead.
It's our commitment to always keep Kahoot free for teachers and students. We are on a mission to unlock the deepest potential of every learner, regardless of age, background, or context. We do this by making learning fun, magical, and engaging. 5 days ago.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Only you, your Kahoot will not appear in search results on the Discover page. You must be signed in to access the Kahoot. To give others access, follow these steps to share with others. This option is available if the Kahoot is saved in your TeamSpace or under My Kahoots on the Kahoots page.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.